Hey everyone, today I have a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to set your default microphone in Windows 11. Maybe you're like myself and you have multiple microphones for your computer. I have one right here in front of me, another one up there. I've got one in my headphones, or maybe you have a laptop that has a built-in microphone. Today we're going to show you how to set that default microphone, again here in Windows 11. We're also going to show you how to set your default communications microphone, which is great if you do video chat or voice chat on your computer. So you can set a default microphone as well as you can set a default communications microphone. We'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's dive on over to my Windows 11 desktop. All right, so here we are on my Windows 11 desktop, and in order to set our default microphones, we need to get into our sound settings here in Windows 11. So let's head down to our start menu at the bottom. Looks like the little Windows logo here. And when you hover over that, it says start. You can go ahead and left click on that with your mouse button, and it's gonna bring up your start menu. I have a settings option right here in my pinned section. If you have that, you can go ahead and left click on it. If you're not seeing that, you can go to all apps right above it here, left click on that and scroll all the way through down to the letter S, where you should see the option that says settings right there. You can go ahead and left click on settings, and that'll bring you into the system settings here in Windows 11. Now from here, what we're looking for under the systems tab here on the left hand side, make sure that is selected. You should see the option, it's the second one down for myself here. It says sound. You can go ahead and left click on sound, and that's going to bring you into your sound settings here in Windows 11. So there's a few different options here. You can set your output sound options. So these are your speakers. But if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see an option right here that says input. This is where you would be able to select your microphone input. Now, this isn't really what I'm looking for today. I want to go a little bit more advanced so we can set the default for our microphone. So if you keep scrolling down, you should see at the very bottom here, it says more sound settings. You can go ahead and left click on more sound settings, and a little box is going to pop up that looks something like this with more sound settings in it. So there's different tabs here at the top. The first one says playback, the second one says recording, third one says sounds, and the fourth one says communications. We're looking for the tab, it's the second one over for myself, that says recording. We can go ahead and left click on that. And you can see that all the microphones that are available to you start showing up here. You can see I've got my Shure MV51. That's the microphone here in front of me that I'm using right now. I've got my Audio Technica 2500X, which is up here, as well as my Camlink, which is the microphone on my camera right in front of me. Or even if I scroll down a little bit further, my headset is down here. It's not turned on right now, but that's why it is grayed out, but I could select that as well. Now you can see there's a green little check mark next to the microphone here, my Shure MV51. That says that this is my default device. It even says default device right here. So if we wanted to switch that to a different microphone, I would just go ahead and select that microphone. So let's pick my Audio Technica one here. I'm just gonna go ahead and left click on that. And further down here, it says set default right there. I can go ahead and left click on that and watch what happens. That green check mark is gonna switch over to the other microphone, and it says default device right there. So it's really that simple to set your default microphone. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it back to my Shure MV51. So I'll select that and hit set default, and it's gonna switch it back to my microphone here in front of me. So it's really that simple to set your default microphone. But I also promised to show you how to set your default communications microphone, which is great if you're wanting to do calls or video calls on your computer as well. So let's say we want to keep this as my default microphone, which we've got set right now, and we want to set my other microphone here as my communications microphone. We just select which one we want as our communications microphone. So I'll select that one, so it's highlighted in blue. And right here where it says set default, you'll see a little drop down arrow next to it. And if I go ahead and left click on that, you'll see two options. One that says default device, the other one says default communication device. And that's the one we want to select. So watch what happens when I go ahead and left click on this. It's going to actually bring up a little kind of green circle with a telephone in it. So you know that that one is set as your default communication device versus your default microphone. So it gives you different options there. It's really that simple to set your default microphone and your default communications device microphone here in Windows 11. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you set your default microphone in Windows 11. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Remember to subscribe here on YouTube and click the bell notification so you're notified of any upcoming videos. It's totally free, and I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.